Hello guys, good afternoon. Kamusta kayo? Guys, tuturuan ko kayo ngayon kung paano pag-reset ng Epson L3150. So guys, ganito yung itsura ng printer. So, pag yung printer mo ganito, nagbiblink yung dalawang ilaw dito sa may stop button. So, kailangan yan i-reset. So, tingnan natin guys. So, punta tayo ng maintenance. Tapos Epson status monitor. So ayan guys, lalabas Epson required, service required, a printer ink pad is at the end of the service life. So ayan, kailangan lang natin guys ng kailangan lang natin mag-outsource guys ng adjustment program. So ito, so punta kayo dito sa particular adjustment mode. Then check nyo lang yung waste ink pad and then check. Ayan, lalabas na yung point nya, and then check nyo lang ito, main pad and then flatten pad counter. So initialize nyo lang guys, initialize. Okay, please turn off the printer. So turn off natin guys, turn off. So nag-turn off na. So okay natin ngayon dito guys. Okay, okay, then finish natin, close natin yan guys, quit, then turn on natin yung printer. Ayan, nawala yung blink niya guys. Oh. So, subukan natin mag-test print. So, test print tayo. Test print. So, test print tayo. Test print text. Ayan. Control P, print. Ayan. Yun, nag-print na. Okay na guys, so sana meron kayong napulot kahit kaunti. Bye!